And now, before we move on to the announcement of the winners of this contest, I think we need to interact with our judges a little.
Absolutely,
What do you say?
Kapil. Yes, absolutely. So my question is directed to Alobo. Yes, Alobo. What do you think of our girls this evening? Have any favorites?
Yeah, I do. But I would like to keep that to myself. Thank you.
Okay, what a diplomatic answer. Very good. Thank you, thank you. So we can say that all the 5 contestants are Alobo's favorites. Thank you.
And my next question is to Nishita. Nishita, will you please take the mic? Yes. Since Pommy has already asked Alobo about the girls, I think I'll ask you something more pertinent, something more important to this contest, all right? Yes. Something very, very crucial. And that is, who is your favorite co-star? And why?
Kapil, I don't think so she's going to name you.
My favorite co-star is always Kapil Bora.
Oh, wow!
That question was tailored by Pommy for me. Thanks, Nishita.
I love to work with Kapil Da, I love to work with Jotin Da, and I love to work with Utpal. These 3 are my favorites.
Thank you, Nishita.
Wonderful.
And that
Honest answer.
Thank you, Nishita. Thank you.
Okay. So Kapil, are you flying high?
I know, but that answer was expected. I was her first co-star on stage and on screen. So that was quite expected. She's also a very great favorite of mine.
Anyway, I'm very, very happy for you, Kapil.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So, before we move ahead, I would like to call on to stage Tanushri Hajarika, Managing Director, Eclectic Publications Private Limited, to share a few words with us. On stage, Tanushri Hajarika.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we present Tanushri Hazarika, the lady behind it all. Tanushri Hazarika.
Hello everyone. I hope you had a pleasant and fun-filled evening tonight. We at Eclectic Publications are very proud to be able to organize this event for 6 years in a row, Pond's Eclectic Model Hunt. I thank all who have taken time out tonight to be here with us. I also extend my gratitude to IPR Minister Shri Bahanto Das for honoring us as the chief guests. I thank the anchors, Pommy and Kapil, for being superb hosts. I thank the designers and stylists for making the girls look even more beautiful. And of course, I thank the wonderful judges, Nishita, Alobo, Cindy, Miguel, and Smitakshi, for patiently judging each round. I hope all of you enjoyed the show. Thank you, Mami Varte, Manoj and team, and Ms. Sunita Khaun for the amazing performances. Through this contest, we have been putting our best efforts in building a great platform for aspiring young girls to enter the fashion and entertainment industry. Previous contestants have done quite well, and they have performed outside Northeast. They have been on national platforms, events, shows, etc. I wish the very best to the top 20 contestants who participated tonight, and they have put in a lot of effort, and I wish them a bright future ahead. It takes a lot of courage to be able to perform in front of so many people. So congrats, girls, for being fearlessly beautiful tonight. And as we await the winners for this evening, I'm taking a moment to thank everyone who made this Pond's Eclectic Model Hunt 2013 possible. Everything that you have witnessed tonight has taken lots of hard work and dedication from our grooming experts who have polished our contestants into being true gems. So please welcome on stage Ms. Loya Agarwala, communication expert and psychologist. Mr. Pratik Bharali, model and soft skill trainer. And Ms. Meenu Paul, our choreographer for the evening. been with us for 5 years now. And of course, a lot of appreciation to News, Rains Inn Hotel, Outreach, Red FM, Curls and Spikes, and Little Hands Photography for being our partners. Please also welcome on stage the team of Tatva Creations and Eclectic Publications who have worked long days and even longer nights to make this evening special. Everyone, please come on stage. The man behind making the show perfect to the last detail. Thank you, everyone. Enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank you, Tanushri, and thank you, everyone.
Thank you. And here we would also like to take the opportunity again to thank a few people who have really made this show special and possible. Our title sponsor, Ponds, outdoor partner, Outreach, hospitality partner, Hotel Rains Inn, TV partner, Newstime Oham, photography partner, Little Hands Production, radio partner, Red FM, accessory partner, Aisha, style partner, Curls and Spikes, newspaper partner, Eastern Sentinel and Sikkim Express, and last but not the least, the event partner, Tatva Creations. We'd also like to thank our judges, our wonderful, wonderful judges, and our vibrant performers, without whom this evening wouldn't have been so vibrant, so beautiful, and so very charming.
So now, my dear friends, we have reached the final leg of the Ponds Eclectic Model Hunt 2013. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the 20 lovely contestants for being a part of this wonderful show. And I wish them all a very best for their bright and wonderful future. We now have with us the names of the 3 winners of Ponds Eclectic Model Hunt 2013. They are with us, ladies. But before we go to that, all top 20 contestants of the grand finale gets gift hampers from Ponds Beauty and also gift vouchers from Aisha, and top 3 winners get gift hampers from Curls and Spikes.